In this video, I'll show you how to print, what are the best settings to choose once you want to print on glossy paper some pictures using your HP Smart Tank 5000. I'll use my phone to do it, so let's get started right away. And by the way, if you do not have any photo glossy paper, I'll make sure to drop some links down below and in the description of this video towards Amazon, where usually the glossy paper is the cheapest to get. So check them out if you don't already have it. I'll assume you already have downloaded the HP app that you need on your phone to be able to print. If you don't know how to set up your phone with your printer, I have made a separate video going step by step on how to do it. So check this out in case your printer is not already paired with your phone. So on your phone, you need the HP app. Download it, open it, and again, the printer has already been paired with my iPhone. This is why you're seeing there. And then press on your printer, go down, and select Print Photo over here. Select one of the pictures that is currently on your phone, or again on your computer, depending where you are. All right, once the picture is selected, press Next. And now it's very important over here. You need to select, if you're going to print on glossy paper, photo paper. Select the size of your photo paper. Depending what it is, you have multiple choices. And if it's not there, you even have a More button. So you get all the different choices. So 5x7, 8x10, 5x7, you know, depending what, 4x6. Most people will also print on 4x6. In my case, it's a glossy letter size paper, US letter size. So this is why I have selected letter. Over here, go and press on this gray line. And now it's very important to go in print quality right over here. And instead of normal, because every time it will be by default in normal, you're going to select best. Always do this once you want to print pictures. Go back. Now before pressing print, don't forget to take your glossy photo paper, remove the paper that was already there, and place your paper with the glossy side. Okay, this is glossy, this is not glossy, with the glossy side facing you. So just like this. So this is the glossy side. Take your phone, and now it's time to press print. It may take more time than usual to print, since this is a picture and it's at the best quality this printer is capable of. So let's stay over here and we'll come back once the paper is out. It already start printing. And here we go. It took quite a while, but the picture is finally out and it looks really beautiful. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.